everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make some very easy and delicious black-eyed peas. Alright, we're at the stove and I've got a medium-sized pot here that has a lid warming up on just over medium heat. I'm going to add roughly a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. If you don't want to use the extra virgin olive oil, no problem. You can use vegetable broth for this because we will be using vegetable broth in this recipe anyway. So, alright, I'm going to just swirl that around, get that in there, and I have 1/3 cup of chopped yellow onion that I'm adding in there. And I have 1/3 cup of chopped green bell pepper. You could use red if you have it and want to use it. We're just going to allow these to saute briefly, I'd say for just a minute or two, and allow these to soften up a little bit, and then we're going to add some other ingredients. Our bell peppers and onions are starting to soften up, so I'm going to proceed onward from there, and we have 2 large cloves of garlic that I have finely chopped. I'm going to add that to the mix and allow them to continue sauteing for up to another minute or so. Alright, now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. I have a teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, a teaspoon of dried thyme, a nice little pinch of red pepper flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. That was pink Himalayan sea salt. Use whatever salt you have. And about 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. And now we have 1½ cups of vegetable broth. That cooled it down real quick. And now we're going to stir in 1 12-ounce package of frozen black-eyed peas, and these were not thawed, they are just frozen. And now what we want to do is raise that heat, bring this to a boil, and then we're going to lower the heat and allow it to simmer and cover it up, stir it every now and then until the black-eyed peas are tender, and that's roughly 30 to 35 minutes or so. And then we're going to take it off the heat and serve it, and you can serve this over rice or anything that you want. Quinoa would be good, just whatever kind of dish, however you want to serve it, but these are just delicious black-eyed peas. Alright, we're going to cover it up and bring this to a boil. You can see that this is starting to boil, so I'm going to give it a stir every now and then, keep the cover on it, and I'm turning the heat down to about a medium low. I want to watch it and make sure that it continues to just simmer slowly, and we're going to let it cook for 30 to 35 minutes, however long it takes for those peas to get tender, and then that's it, they'll be done. These black-eyed peas have actually cooked for 35 minutes. I checked them out at 30 minutes and I wanted to give them a little bit more time to cook. But there they are. We're going to put them in a dish and show you what they look like. I'm calling them done. There they are. They are so good. I just tasted them. They're absolutely delicious, and they're wonderful over a bed of rice. The recipe is in the description box below, so give these a try sometime and let me know how they work for you. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye for now.